Soon after Bill Chant about Zion roots. Don't know.
Never stop. Me wake and stretch, inhale your breeze. Mind at ease. Bird them sing a holy song. Life belong. Rise and shine, me spirit glow. Time fi grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt. Me find me route. Jah whisper softly in me ear, love conquer fear. Them try to cheer me soul in vain. Me break every chain. Me lift me head, me trod with grace. Open place. Babylon pressure heavy on me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight. Light through night, me no envy, me no boast. Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace. Faith increase, rise and shine. Me people strong, right from wrong. Rise and shine, no turn away. New day. Me see the youth them start to move. Find them groove, no more violence, no more hate. Change the state. Me see the mothers pray again. End the pain. Rastafire blaze inside. Lovers guide. Me climb the hill, me reach the peak. Spirit speak, the light so warm, me feel reborn, new dawn. Me chant the psalm from deep within, clean from sin, rise and shine. Me soul rejoice, hear me voice. No shadow can cover Jah sun. Victory won, every tear become a seed, blessed deed. Me walk with courage, heart so true. True and through, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call. Stand tall. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call. Stand tall. So when the world feels dark and cold, stay bold. Rise and shine forever bright. Jah light. Chant rebellion clean, no mean. Root rebel na Babylon night. Hold tight, drum beat echo through my soul. Take control, rebel heart, Rasta song. Shake the ground, them system love control and gain. Cause pain, but me stand firm in a bend. Till the end, me chant truth in every song. Right from wrong, them can't cage body, not me mind. Love refine, me see you, them fight for bread. Tears shed, me tell them all faith stay true. Just see you, no weapon stronger than heart pure, that's sure. Roots rebel rise from dust, trust and just. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Me chant in a market square, freedom here. Me see people dance again, lose them pain. Roots music heal every scar, near and far. Me beat me drum for the poor, open door. Them call me dreamer, me no care. Me aware, me walk the path ancestors trod. One God, rebel heart no bow to lies. Truth rise, roots rebel live and learn. Fire burn, every generation born again. Free from chain, me hear the drum of resistance. Persistence, Rasta teach love not war. Reach afar. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Ay, ay, ay. Roots rebel sing this song, right from wrong. Ay, ay, ay. Roots rebel Jah design, so divine. Ay, ay, ay. 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 Me wake up with fire in chest, no rest, lion heart beat steady strong. Just song me roaring a valley wide, no hide, courage grow like tree. Set me free, them try bring down me spirit glow. Still me glow, lion heart no bow to fear. Truth clear, every child build me soul. Self-control, me walk through fire calm. Holy sound, me hear the voice of ancient kings. Freedom rings, them say stand firm in a truth. Teach the youth, me carry legacy so bright. Jah light, no enemy can tame me roar. Me soar, lion heart, stand strong. Right from wrong, lion heart, no retreat. Face it. Me see the battle in this street. Still me beat, me fight with love, not gun. Victory won, lion heart protect the weak. Freedom speak, me let them choose storm. Keep warm, me no seek crown or gold. Me soul bold, me serve the people true. Like Jah do, lion heart within me chest. Never rest, me roar of hope and peace. Love increase when the night dark and cold. Me stay bold, just strength in every beat. Complete lion heart, carry Jah fire. Never tire, jump lion heart. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it, jump lion heart. Guard the land, takes a stand. Lion heart, fear no foe. Bless flow. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. So end it, so end it, so end it, so end it, so end this time roll again. Me remain lion heart forever true. Jah crew.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Sound the whistle, time fi go. Zion train start fi flow. Me pack me faith, me drop me fear. Jah guide and steer through the smoke and Babylon plain. Still roll the Zion train. Me see the people line the track, no turning back. Every soul want ride tonight into the morning light. Them tired of sorrow, tired of pain, waiting pon the Zion train. Me chant me song, me spirit strong, freedom song. Them try delay the engine start, but Jah control the part. No ticket needed, love the key. Ride for destiny, me see the elder wave goodbye. Me feel me spirit fly, one love vibration rain. Zion train roll on till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train roll on, steady strong. We all belong, Jah conductor hold the line. Forward time, me hear the rhythm from the wheel. Truth me feel, no more division, no disguise, just open eyes. Every station full of song, me know me belong. Inna the smoke, me sight the flame, call Jah name. Me sit beside a youth who cry. Me tell him lift your eye, the journey long but end sweet. Love complete, from first breath to final tone. Jah lead we home, no power can restrain. Zion train, every bump, every bend is not the end. Keep rolling, faith sustain. Bless again, me hear Jah voice in every chain. Break free, ride the train. Zion train roll on till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train roll on, steady strong. We all belong, Jah conductor hold the line. Forward time. Aye. Roll a spliff with bamboo paper, yeah man. Me open me window, morning glow. Jah light start to show. Every color in the sky remind me why no darkness can invade. Jah light never fade. Me see confusion every day. People ask them where, but me keep me vision clear. Jah always near. Them promise power, promise gold, but soul grow cold. Me choose the humble trade. Jah light never fade. Me walk through the market crowd, hear the cry loud, but me smile still stay. Hope find a way. No silver, no diamond ring can change the song me sing. Love and truth me blade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Shine strong, guide me right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray, see brighter day. Me mother say keep the faith true. Jah walk with you. So me move in grace and peace. Let the burden cease. The wind carry prayer high. Answer come now. Me no worry, me no trade. Jah light never fade. Elders sit on the stone. Say Jah rule alone. Me kneel, me reason, me understand. Life in Jah hand, no shadow block me way. Sunrise every day, every heart unafraid. Jah light never fade. Even when the thunder roll, Jah comfort me soul. From desert sand to ocean tide, Jah spirit inside. Hold the faith, no let it go. Light forever. Flow like river, pure and calm, healing balm. Me hear the water sing soft tune. Under moon, love river run through me vein. Wash pain, Jah creation so divine. Truly fine, me see the lover smile shine bright. Holy light, me see the child laugh and play. New day, love river flow from mountain high. Never dry, it carry peace and truth. Eternal youth, me walk beside the stream so deep. Spirit keep, me feel the cool breeze kiss me skin. Joy within, no hatred can survive. Love revive, river teach me how to forgive. Truly live. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real. Make we heal. Me see the elders sit and pray. Peaceful day, them say keep love in motion. True devotion, river carry wisdom old. Stories told, me bathing the truth again. No pain, me hear the whisper in the wave. Just safe, me see reflection of light, shining bright. No end, no beginning clear. Jah near, love river guide me soul. Make me whole, me learn to flow, not fight. True night, every turn just show me grace. Holy place, love river teach patience. True essence. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real. Make we heal. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real. Make we heal. Love river, carry soul, make we all. Love river, strong and deep, peace we keep. So when life feel dry and hard, hold your card. Love river never end, flow again.
Skibby dong dong, skiddy dong dong. Rasta man is high in the Kingston town, yeah man. In the morning light, give thanks for life, give thanks for sight. The world still spin, the youth still cry. So me lift my voice to the sky. Me see too much confusion round. Babylon sound try mash way down. But in a me heart the fire blaze. Jah wisdom guide me through the maze. Them can't stop love, we're pure and clean. Truth shine brighter than it seems. Me walk with courage, soul on fire. Burn down here, lift love higher. Me see the struggle in the street, but every pain bring lessons sweet. No gold, no throne can take your place. Me feel the power in every face. People tired, people cry, but your spirit never die. When me chant, me feel it grow. Roots and culture overflow. Well, light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we almost sow. Every heart and every hand, spread the light across the land. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same 'cause the elders say truth comes slow but find its way. Me hold the faith through every storm. Jah protect and keep me warm. No envy, greed or vanity, just peace and unity. The system weak but so still strong. We rise where we belong. Children laugh and elders smile. Hope return for a while. Roots musician beat the drum. Say the better there soon come. The rhythm travel through the crowd. Chant of freedom, chant aloud. Every man and woman free in Jah harmony. Me no war, me no fight, me move in Jah light. Every color, every race, come together, one embrace. The message clear, the vision true. Love is the way for me and you. Yeah. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand, spread the light across the land. Light up the world, Jah flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. We light up the world, don't dim the shine. Bless the people, one divine. RASTA VIBES in every sound. Lift the nation from the ground. Light up the world, stand tall, be true. Jah love dwell in me and you. So when the night feel cold and long, remember Jah within your song. Keep the flame, no let it die. Light up the world, reach the sky. One love forever burn, till every soul return. With
Bada boom boom boom, Coco cushion a me lung, ya man. Rarico inna the dawn. Rasta soldier still strong. Every block, every lane, feel the lion, reclaim. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me carry Jah name. Them try to trap the soul in fear, but lion had no tear. City walls can't stop the sound. Roots vibration underground. Me no follow what them sell, me follow the inner bell. Jah call me loud in the breeze. Me spirit move with ease. Every youth a warrior born. From the night into the morn. Yeah. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can't defeat. Peace and love forever reign. Rhythm carry through the pain. The elders chant from yard to gate. Love conquer it. Every nation one sound. Jah kingdom spread around. The fire blaze in the eye. Truth and justice never die. From the corner to the park, lion heart ignite the spark. The youth them dance, the people cheer. Jah guidance always near. Me feel the spirit strong and free. Together chanting unity. Rise, my people, hold the line. Righteous path divine. Jah protect from every fight. Lead we through the night. Hey. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can defeat. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can defeat. So when the drum beat call again, remember where it all began. Lion spirit never sleep. Jah promise, Jah people keep. Land in the city stand tall. Land in the city stand tall. Land in the city stand tall.
In the dark before the day, morning star light the way, shining bright, so pure, so near. Morning star remove the fear. Babylon night can't stay too long. Morning star sing righteous song. Every beam a prophecy. Morning star, eternity. Children rise and youth proclaim. Morning star in Jah name. Elders chant and clap the hand. Morning star across the land. Not of pride, not of greed. Morning star. Live deep in the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, eternity. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around. Zion wind, call your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind, for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind, bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind, bring Jah breeze. It sing this song, it spread the word. Zion wind, always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. It move eternal, strong and wide. Zion wind, the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion wind of holy birth. Eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind, keep it strong. Sound again, Zion wind still remain. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind, wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born. Blow strong, blow high. Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind, wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind, all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh, 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 yeah. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me wake and feel the spirit call. No fear can make me fall. Sunrise paint the mountain gold. New story yet untold. Me lift me hands and chant me part. Carry the
fire in me heart. Babylon try to cool the flame, but Jah ignite again. Them build them wall, me tear it down. Love still wear the crown. No system can suppress me song. Rasta energy strong. Me blaze the truth on every street till late retreat. Me see the youth them searching high for reason why. Me tell them look inside your soul, shall make you whole. Me see the elder beat the drum, remind we where we come from. Roots deep like ancient art. Fire in the heart, fire in the heart. Burn bright, guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Me no chase vanity or fame. Me live for your name. When the world feel cold and grey, faith still light my way. Every trial build me soul. Every scar a scroll. Me trot through dark but never part. Jah keep me heart. Me see the woman wipe her tear. Jah comfort near. Me tell her sister you no alone. Children laugh, future born. Hope like morning dawn. Me hear the choir start. Fire in the heart. Me no stop, me no tire. Jah fuel the fire. From Kingston Yard to Cape Town shore, we chant forevermore. No matter the distance, no matter the fight. Rasta standing light. Fire in the heart, burn bright. Guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Oh, 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 fire in the heart. Fire in the heart, eyes. Spirit strong. Jah rhythm beat lifelong. True struggle and art. Fire in the heart. Fire in the heart. When the evening shadows fall, Jah fire bless them all. Me soul and rhythm never part. Forever fire in the heart. Na 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 Zion. Baby, I'm music jaman. Oh, yo, yeah. Me wake before the break of dawn. Hear Jah whisper, carry on. The world still weep, the system cold, but me story must be told. Me feel the fire in my chest. Truth refuse to rest. Jah flame burn pure and bright. Guide me through the night. Them try to silence the righteous word, but my voice must still be heard. Every chain them build me break. Every lie me overtake. Me try the valley, me climb the hill. Still me chant Jah will. From dust me come to light me go.
redemption overflow. Me see the people searching still for peace against the wicked will. Them tired of war, them tired of pain. Them call your name again. Me bring the message through this song. Love are the force that keep we strong. Me chant for the lost, the blind, the meek. Jah justice them seek. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within me, spirit free, forever guiding me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me see the wicked crumble down like castle made of sand and crown. The humble rise, the truth reveal. Jah love are the seal. Me see the children learn the way. Me see the elders kneel and pray. Inna the smoke of sacrifice, me find paradise. Them can't stop the flame inside. Rasta fire can't hide. It burn for justice, burn for peace, till Babylon release. Me trod with heart so full of grace. Me see Jah in every face. No weapon strong enough to kill. Jah fire still. When the darkness start to close, me remember what me chose. Not gold, not fame, not crown, but truth that never drown. Me see the signs, me read the sky. Freedom draw nigh. Fire of redemption light the road. Carry me heavy load. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within me, spirit free, forever guiding me. Fire still burning, soul still bright, guided by the ancient light. Every heart that seek the way, find Jah in the day. No evil plan can tear we down. We wear love like a crown. Fire of redemption never cease, bringing the world to peace. When me gone and this song still play, remember what me say. Hold the fire, keep it strong. Love forever long. Jah blaze eternal flame. Redemption call me name. Whoa, yeah.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. In the darkness, small but true, lantern of faith shine
can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light called your name. Na 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 Zion man. Na 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 Zion man. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light, keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light bring your peace. Rising morning sun, Zion light the chosen one. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion light the one and all. It warm the heart, it free the soul. Zion light me holy goal, forever shining bright and wide. Zion light always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion light fill the sky. No Babylon can hide the ray. Zion light forever stay. It guide the nations, guide the man. Zion light, Jah plan, eternal glowing, pure and strong. Zion light all along. Trumpet sound again. Zion light still remain, forever only, never fade. Zion light Jah hand has made, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion light show Jah way, eternal flame, forever true. Zion light for me and you. Shine high, shine free. Zion light eternity. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light forever show. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light call your name, from age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light keep shining on.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae man.
Yeah. Peace of Zion fill me soul, make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace for me and you. Zion peace calm and wide, everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless Judgment Day, Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal calm, eternal song. Zion peace forever long. Come strong, come deep. Zion peace, me soul keep. No war, no hate can take away. Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide, everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion peace still carry on.
Na 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 na. Morning sunrise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see. You will
Chant of the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
rise again. Stand tall. Jah love fear. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street,
Morning sun,
guide the feet.
elder preach.
Youth them learn, all hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Yeah.
Light break through the cloud. Me sing your name out loud. No fear, no shame.
Just glory in Jah name. I work Canada.
Chant of the morning sun.
Na 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 na.
Jah work just begun.
You know.
Every heart and every soul come together for the good.
Rise again. Stand tall. Jah love for so when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Ay, 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 corruption, not in hate. Flame create a righteous faith. Every ember pure and strong. Flame of Zion all along. Stormy rage and night may fall. Flame of Jah consume it all. Travel up coal upon the way. Flame of Zion give him stay. Babylon darkness can't remain. Flame of Jah break the chain. Generations gather near. Flame of Zion always here. Prophets say and vision grow. Flame of Jah forever glow. Every nation go and pray. Flame of Zion guide today. Everlasting, true and free. Flame of Jah eternity. From creation till the end. Flame of Zion remain free. No corruption, no despair. Flame of Jah is everywhere. Every heart a candle bright. Flame of Zion bring the light. Everlasting holy song. Flame of Jah forever strong. All creation testify. Flame of Zion never die. Burn, burn, holy fire. Lift the people, lift them higher. Glow, glow, strong and free. Eternal flame, eternity. Eternal flame, pure and bright. Guide the people through the night. Burn forever, never gone. Flame of Zion, carry on. From the past into the new. Eternal flame, for me and you.
Ay, ay, ay. Jamaica Ashisha man. Early morning sunrise from me windowsill. Burning herbs with peace. Jah love I feel. Me soul awaken. No stress, no war. Just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I and I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant na ya bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. I rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright. Me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Hear the drums of Africa, they call me name. Ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land where peace a stay. No politics, no wicked plan. Only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true. Under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chants psalms and dance in grace. With sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane. Through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong. And every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bin